Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Salina, local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance moving is moving properties of a client from one area of a specified region to another region that is in another state. This also involves movement across state boundaries. It is usually above the 100-mile range. This requires proper planning with the best relocation company. 3 Movers offers long-distance moving services to all of our customers residing in Salina, having the best charging rates. Customers get to experience great and executive long-distance moving services wherever they want. Local moving is a transportation of our clients' properties within the same geographical area or to distances less than 100 miles. 3 Movers is offering affordable and quality local or long-distance relocation services here in Salina. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Salina moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.